and I spend my own coins. Yes. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. So guys, today we are gonna do our unboxing videos. I'm Kish Canvas. I am a makeup artist and influencer. So y'all, we're gonna unbox these goodies. Y'all, I'm super excited. I'm really excited to try some JUVIA'S Place. This will be my first JUVIA'S Place palette ever. I do not own any JUVIA'S Place palette. Let's test them out. Let's open up this box. Guys, let's jump into the goodies. And the first palette I got was the first Warrior palette from JUVIA'S Place. Then we got the second Warrior palette from JUVIA'S Place. Then we must get the third Warrior palette from JUVIA'S Place. And then we got the Masquerade Palette from JUVIA'S Place. I'm gonna get into it. First palette I'm gonna dip into is the Warrior palette, which is this. So I'm just gonna open it up. Yes, I'm just gonna open it up. Now we're gonna see the beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Right, so y'all, this is how she looks. Oh, I'm in love. So this is how she looks. She is really nice. She's a neutral tone eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna dip in her and show you all how pigmented she is. So y'all, you'll seeing that. Like, listen. Way. She's nice. So y'all, I'm gonna just swatch. Oh, she's so pretty. She is nice. Y'all, I love the shade. You see the shade? Ooh, she's beautiful. So y'all, I must say she is beautiful. And the packaging is amazing, y'all. Seeing these African queens, yes, she is beautiful. So y'all, this is the first palette, the neutral Warrior, the first Warrior palette from JUVIA'S Place. So this is the second palette, the Warrior 2 by JUVIA'S Place. I'm just gonna open her up. So y'all, listen, Warrior vibes. She's giving me life. So y'all, this is how the palette looks. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna swatch. Y'all, this is so pigmented. Like, yes. Going to the, so this black is really nice. So y'all, like, listen, Shawata. So y'all, I am not good with these names, so I would not pronounce them because I don't have a kind of tight tongue already. So I'm not gonna try to embarrass myself too much. So y'all, this is the, she's beautiful. Like, listen, like, yes, amazing. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hands. She is nice, yes, and it still have on my hand, eh? So guys, y'all, she is amazing. Warrior vibes. So you seeing that? Yeah. Y'all, let's get into the third palette, and the third palette is the Warrior 3 palette from JUVIA'S Place. So y'all, let's open up this baby. Y'all, I have no nails, so I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. Cause like this, I am struggling. The struggle real. It is real. Right, so y'all, we're gonna open up this baby. So y'all, from the first glimpse, see the packaging, this blue and pink. Y'all, I'm giving it a thumbs up. She is a warrior. Yes. Ooh, sa. Ooh, she is beautiful. Y'all, let's swatch. I love green, so I'm gonna go into green first. Like, yes. Y'all, pigment for your money. She can take all my cash, all my coins. Pigment. I'm just gonna swatch her. Ooh, like, yes. Seeing that pigment? So now, and I still have a little bit on my hand. So I'm gonna go into that purple. Purple is calling my name. So y'all, I'm not even gonna attempt to say these names because I don't want to embarrass myself. So y'all, this is the purple. She is beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch her. Ooh, nice. And then I'm gonna go into a shimmer. Yes, so y'all, she is beautiful. She is pigmented, like, yes honey, and her packaging is beautiful, like, yes. So y'all, for the fourth palette, this last beauty, this is the Masquerade Palette from JUVIA'S Place, and I'm gonna open her up and see how beautiful she is. So y'all, this is the mini palette. It has the bigger one. So this is how she looks. Like, yes, she is amazing. Like, yes. So I'm gonna swatch. So I'm gonna go straight into this purple and this green. This. So y'all seeing that pigment? Like, yes. I'm just gonna swatch her. Ooh, like, yes. So this palette is beautiful also. So y'all, I'm gonna make masks with these palettes. This palette is so beautiful, like pigment for your money. So y'all, these are the 4 palettes I got from JUVIA'S Place. So y'all stay tuned. So these are the 4 palettes from JUVIA'S Place. So y'all stay tuned to my channel to see me work my magic and create amazing looks using JUVIA'S Place palette. So y'all, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be notified when I post. Well, thank you so much.